picked you up, dusted you off, gave you new hope, stood by you when you walked. Who was the one to make you shine like new money? Laughed at your jokes even though they wasn't funny. Who was the one that gave you a helping hand? Never forget how I helped you hide from the man. Who was the one who carried you, helped you made it through, braided your hair for you. Who was the one? Yesterday I cried. Who was the one that lied to your fam? Stood solid when nobody else gave a damn. Who was the one? Yeah, I was bad. After all this now, you wanna quit. Who was the one? Yeah, me, that's who was you. Made a love child with you. Don't think you gotta act brand new. Just because you choose a new love, don't mean she's love for you. Just because you choose a new friend, don't mean you gotta act brand new. Just because you choose. Who was the one that accepted all your home? Who was the one that broke all your bones? Who was the one that gave you brain, helped you ease the pain, made you feel sane even when it rained? Who was the one that kept your Rico clean and kept your name all good in the hood ride? Who was the one that got you go to God when times got hard, told you it would be alright? Who was the one that made you feel high you never felt? Who was the one that made you deal with things you never dealt with? Who was the woman to touch your soul? Was unconditional love, pure and gold? Who was the one? Yeah, me, that's who would have died for you if some haters tried you. And